Hello everyone. In today's how-to video, I'll tell you how you can easily download the consolidated mutual fund capital gains statement for your tax purposes very easily. Let's get started. Basically, you must also already knowing that different fund types are taxed differently, and depending on whether there are short-term capital gains or long-term capital gains. So what I'm showing you is, and I'll share this link as well, is a site wherein all these details are easily available, right? And what you need to do when you're filing your taxes is to see the capital gains and make sure that you are paying tax appropriately. This is the capital gains that you have accrued over a particular financial year. So one thing also to understand is that you can either go to the mutual fund house that you have taken the mutual funds from and get that capital gains statement. However, you can also get a consolidated statement of all the mutual funds that you own through two RTAs. And RTAs are basically companies which help mutual funds manage the transactions and keep track of the transactions that are happening on those mutual funds, right? So basically, there are two main RTAs: CAMS, CAMS, and KFintech, right? And if you look at CAMS, it services a lot of mutual funds like HDFC, PPFAS, Tata, IDFC, to name a few. Similarly, KFintech has Axis Mutual Fund, BNP Paribas, Edelweiss, Indiabulls, LIC, Mirae, Quant, and UTI amongst their clients. So basically, what you need to do is it's advisable to go and get the consolidated statement from both of these RTAs. Very simple. What you need to do for CAMS Online, basically CAMS is to go to CAMS Online website. I'll share the link in the description of the video, and search for capital gains and loss statement. Just click on that. You need to select the period, current FY, your email ID, your PAN number, then mutual funds. Select all mutual funds. The format that you want it in, I would suggest that you go for PDF. Also need to provide a password that will be used to open that particular PDF file, and click on submit. What will happen then is that a statement will be generated and sent to your registered email ID, the email ID that you provided to your mutual fund house, and that will be available in the next couple of minutes. I've seen that it can be generated in 5 to 10 minutes. Sometimes it takes more than 30 minutes as well. So keep your patience, and you'll find that this email would come to your account. I'll show you how that email looks like. But before that, I'll also show you how you can get the KFintech. Okay, so you come to this website, KFintech website, and click on the capital gain statement. Again, similar capital gain consolidated statement, similar data that you have to enter: PAN number, all mutual funds, and a password for downloading and opening that PDF file. Here the formats are 2, and click on submit. All right. Again, it will take some time for the statement to arrive in your email, right? This is how the email for the CAMS statement looks like. You have to basically go and click on this link to download the statement. I've already downloaded for myself. KFintech email, you will get a attached PDF or Excel file depending on what you have selected. And in the Excel files, once you open the files, you'll get a summary of the capital gains, both short-term, long-term capital gains with indexation and long-term capital gains without indexation. And all this depends, as I was explaining earlier, depending on the type of mutual funds that you own. And this is the KFintech capital gains summary as well. Very simple, and make sure that you use this to to the next time that you are filing your tax returns. Hope you enjoy this video. Have a nice day.